Good morning and welcome to another trading session. It is 6:30. The market is open. It is December 2nd, 2024. We are in the last month of the year. How fun. All right. I have some levels set for pre-market. This is Friday's high, and we are going to be waiting for the first 5 minutes to set our levels and see what kind of trading day we'll have today. All right, I just set a weekly liquidity level that had been set probably about 2 weeks ago. There is a lot of money sitting in this area, and we're going to see how it reacts. This was a daily liquidity level that we just kind of blew right through, and now using it as a level, it seems like, to retest to see where it goes. I imagine we will see us gravitate up to here and then reject depending on how the market goes. We also have news at 7 o'clock today, red label news. I'm gonna wait to see what kind of reactions we have for these areas and for that as well. Cool, we got our level set. Gonna wait for the close of this one. This is indicating good strength with the buyers. If we could close above the 5-minute high, might be able to get in and out of something before 7 o'clock.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, that was one trade. I'm gonna have to go back and take a look and see. I mean, obviously I rushed in on it. We've just seen a ton of buyers step in. These wicks are giving me such confidence that the buyers really want to be in it. There's no way. It wouldn't have made any sense for me to jump in on this candle. This candle, these two candles right here was why I came in. There wasn't enough displacement, but we're seeing a lot of reaction around this zone right here. Again, these long wicks are the buyers stepping in saying, hey, we want this to go up. And it would make no sense to have my stop loss be down here. We do have sellers stepping in. These 3 red candle closes are a strong indication of it starting to reverse. What we are seeing is this being very strong displacement and a retest back down to this liquidity zone. I'm creating a nice trend up though with this. We'll see how we can hold this. We're retesting the 5-minute high again. I see you get a break above this is high of day currently. I want to see this candle give me a better test.
Order submitted.
All right, let's try this again. We have about 5 more minutes until the news. I'm gonna see this little bit of retracement here. I want to see how it reacts. I'm hoping that we could get to this liquidity zone. Depending on the time, I am probably gonna close out soon. I'm not liking this. I needed this for it to close above this trend line was good. We'll see how this candle closes. I'm gonna get stopped out again. Look at this. This is sad. We broke this upward trend line. We're reversing down. We have 2 minutes until 7 o'clock news. Unless we could see a strong bounce up here, I'm probably gonna get wicked out. If that's the case, I'm gonna do something very daring. I'm gonna put this down here for right now, just to see where the wick goes. Not something I suggest to do ever in the least bit. But because we're caught in this before the news at 7 o'clock, I'm gonna do that. Although this wicked down, we did close above and still in this order block. This gives me confidence in the buyers that they're still here and want to see this continue to go up. Got about 5 more seconds until 7 o'clock. Give it a little bit more push. I want to see a hit up here. We broke high of day. Now we just have to reclaim getting above this trend line that we broke. You can see it hit price target. Probably just gonna take this off at 40 if I can hit that again. 40 points.
Order submitted.
All right, I closed out. I think it was roughly around 34 points that I closed out for, which is hitting our 2R multiple. The first trade, we got stopped out and it was down like $250. And in this trade, looks like we're up $26.50 for the day. Took 2 trades, end of the day green. It's 7:02 right now. I've got about an hour still until 8 o'clock. But like I had mentioned, this is a really strong liquidity zone. For about a week we were seeing price just chop. So I am weary to take any more trades here. I'm gonna end the recording and call it a day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see everyone tomorrow.